I know what you were going to say, but I don't like orange. You're going to tell me it's too bright, it reminds you of spray tan, pumpkins, certain budget airlines, and would give you a headache for sure. But bear with me, and we will explore if orange is the new black? Not sure black is the most popular paint colour right now, so maybe that's not a good comparison. And I was going to change it to magenta, but... Hi, I'm Camilla from You Crafty Dog. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Today I will take you to look at some inspo and pros and cons of using orange in home decor. This is just for fun. I find colour theory super interesting, so wanted to share it with you. Either way, feel free to completely ignore me and paint your home whatever damn colour you want to, or let me give you some confidence to go for something you may not have considered before. Orange hasn't been popular since the 1970s in home decorating, but I feel, with some inspiration, we may be able to bring it back. So every colour has both positive and negative attributes, and how you feel about living with it may depend greatly on personal association and preference. You may have very different thoughts and feelings on orange, depending if a fresh, juicy orange is your favourite fruit, or if you work at Sainsbury's or Home Depot. I think I'm saying that wrong. Home Depot. Or if you have recently escaped from US jail, or whatever else it is you do with your life. According to the experts, orange is the colour of companionship and laughter, appetite and intelligence, creativity and energy, and is an all-round happy, optimistic colour. On the flip side, orange can appear frivolous, so may not be suitable if you want an area that needs to be taken very seriously. It also can be associated with good value, but therefore also the budget end of the market, so too much may give you a cheap look. But because orange is generally considered a cheerful colour, it is said to decrease feelings of irritation when used in decor. And who doesn't want a sitting room or bedroom where they feel a little more cheerful and happy? Too much in the bedroom, however, could leave you too stimulated to get a good night's sleep. If used in a home office, it can help keep you energised throughout the working day and stimulate intelligence. In the kitchen, it can stimulate appetite, and I'm not really sure if that's a good or a bad thing. I do seem to have enough of an appetite for cake as it is, without any extra help. In the dining room, orange can stimulate digestion and socialising, so may be good if you like to have dinner parties. Orange is such a warm and inviting colour. It is from the warm half of the colour wheel and will increase a room's coziness and warmness. It has even been shown to make a room feel warmer than it actually is. Now remember, using orange doesn't mean you have to go crazy and paint everything tangerine. Although if that's what you like, then go for it. I personally am not a fan of neon orange, although my background today may say otherwise. But I think there are many more subtle ways you can introduce orange into your decor. First of all, there are a whole range of oranges, as with any colour, from light, sunny, peachy shades to terracotta, burnt orange, and deep orangey browns. I just love these darker shades too. Even my hair is kind of orange. Kind of. If I wanted to go for a brighter, more traditional shade of orange, the kind of orange you normally think of, then I personally would use it as an accent colour and combine it with neutrals to stop it feeling too gaudy. And I love drawing inspiration from nature to achieve this. Orange makes me think of, well, of course, oranges. Also sunsets, trees in autumn, bonfires, desert sand, butterflies, foxes. Just look at this inspo. This inspires me to add into my home a bowl of fresh oranges or grapefruit, beautiful sunset artwork, happy orange flowers, terracotta pots, deep orangey leather, brick accent walls, and beautiful oriental rugs. So whether you go for a sunny peach on your walls, nature-inspired orange accents, a cosy burnt orange, or full-out tangerine, I hope bringing orange into your home will bring a bit of positivity and happiness into your life. Thank you so much for watching. It means so much to me. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more DIY and home decor videos. Bye.